Hello YouTube, I'm going to make a video of me riding my force bike build and see how it goes. I already had it running for a few seconds, so I don't need to choke it, so it should start right up. Basically what you do on these is your carburetor down here, you put the choke up and prime it with this little button here on most of these carburetors, and just give it some throttle and pedal with the clutch out. Now I have the clutch in on this one. There's a little locking pin on the bottom, which is normally on top on these clutches. And yeah, start it up and drive it around the block. See how it goes. I'm holding the clutch in now. And we'll release the clutch now. More YouTube videos, comment below.